To download and install Throne and Liberty on a PC or laptop, start by downloading Steam, a platform that allows you to buy, download, install, and play games. This can be done by searching for Steam on a search engine, such as Google, and navigating to the Steam website, which can be found at store.steampowered.com. Once on the website, click on the Install Steam button. Select the desired platform, such as Windows, and then click Install Steam again. The Steam setup will then be downloaded to the computer. Open the setup and follow the installation prompts, which include selecting the language and destination folder for the installation. The installation process will then complete automatically. If Steam is already installed, open the platform and log in to an existing account or create a new one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, navigate to the Store section by clicking on the Store button at the top of the page. In the search box, type in Throne and Liberty and press Enter. Click on the gear icon and select View Unfiltered Search Results, then uncheck the Hide Ignored Items box to find the game. Click on the Throne and Liberty result, and then enter the date of birth for security reasons. View the games page, where it can be seen that the game is set to be released on September 7th. But an early access pack can be pre-purchased for a fee. To pre-purchase the pack, click the Add to Cart button. Then, view cart and select whether the purchase is for the account owner or as a gift. After selecting the purchase options, review the order and continue to the payment process. Select a payment method from the drop-down menu, such as PayPal, and complete the checkout process. Once the purchase is complete, the game will be added to the Steam library, where it can be accessed and installed when it becomes available. On the game's release date, September 12th, navigate to the library, find the game, and click the Install button. Follow the installation prompts, which include selecting the installation drive and choosing whether to create a desktop shortcut. Once the installation is complete, click the Play button to launch the game.